Hello friends, let's continue with the topic of interest on drawing. In the last video, I have discussed about that at the beginning of the month, if withdrawal is made by a partner, how interest on drawing is to be calculated. So at the beginning of the month, it could be at the end of the month, or it could be in the middle of each month. So let's see three cases simultaneously. So, if the partner is withdrawing a sum at the beginning of the month, so when he would be making his first withdrawal, he will be using it for 12 months because he is making a withdrawal on 1st of April. So 1st of April withdrawn amount would be used from April, May, June till March. So there are 12 months in which he can make use of his amount withdrawn. When he will be making a last withdrawal, then only March month is left. So we have to take an average of 12 plus 1 divided by 2, 6.5. So when you have to take interest on drawing calculation, the months would be taken for 6.5 if it is the beginning of the month. If it is the end of the month, that means his first withdrawal is as on 30th of April. If it is on 30th of April, that means he will make use of this amount only for 11 month. You have to see pending month because April have gone, so he would use it from May, June, July, August till March. How many months are left? 11. And if he is making his last withdrawal, that is on 31st of March, then at that time year have ended, no month is left. So how you have to take, that is 0 over here, no month is left. So now take an average, 11 plus 0 divided by 2, you will consider it for 5.5. If it is in the middle of each month, if it is in the middle means what over here? Middle means when it is the middle of your April month, means 15 days have gone. So 16th of April you have withdrawn the amount, 15 days have gone. So how many months you can make use of this amount? That is 11.5 months. 0.5 denotes half month. And the last withdrawal when you would be making on 16th of March or 15th of March, how much month is left over here? That is only 0.5. So you have to take average of first withdrawal and second withdrawals usage, that is 11.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2, that is 6. So if there is a partner who has made a withdrawal of rupees 2000 per month, amount withdrawn by him is 2000 into 12, that is 24,000. If rate is 8%, we will take that. If it is for the beginning of the month, then you will take 6.5 upon 12. If it is for the end of the month, you will take 5.5 upon 12. If it is at the middle of the month, you will consider it for 6 divided by 12 as the case is there. Thank you. Accountitude, like, share and subscribe to my channel.